Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about Scrum Master roles and responsibilities. Kindly watch this video till the end. I'm going to ask you one question regarding Scrum Master. If you answer that correctly in the comment section, and if you are the lucky, then I would like to give away some gift cards to you guys. So stay till end of this video. Let's get started. So first role and responsibility for a Scrum Master is facilitating the Scrum events. That is most important responsibility or role for the Scrum Master. There are few events in the Scrum like sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, sprint retrospective. These events Scrum Master needs to facilitate, just like a conductor leading a symphony of agile processes. Okay, so this is the first role of a Scrum Master. You require to schedule some calls of sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and facilitate the same. Okay. I would like to give you one real-life example for the same. Scrum Master ensures that all necessary team members participate the event. During the sprint planning, they guide the team to break down the user stories into manageable tasks. So these are few roles and responsibilities of Scrum Master for facilitation. First is he or she has to make sure that all team members are attending the Scrum properly. Second is about he or she has to guide the team members or product owner to convert their user stories into manageable tasks. Okay. Uh, the example for the same is if team is planning a new feature on mobile app and Scrum Master ensures that designer, developers, and tester collaborate effectively to define all the task and acceptance criteria. He or she has to make sure that all the team members are getting the task correctly. Okay. Second role and responsibility is removing obstacles or impediment. Much like a superhero, Scrum Master scoops in to eliminate impediments that hinder the team's progress. So this is most important responsibility of Scrum Master. He or she has to remove obstacles, impediments. What are obstacles? What are impediments? There are a lot of obstacles are coming on daily basis. Like sometimes the software is not working or tools are not working. Sometimes server is down. Those are the technical roadblocks, right? So for technical roadblocks also, Scrum Master needs to contact the specified team diligently, correctly, and resolve that issue on time so that it will not hinder the team's progress. Okay. So you require to assure the business continuity. That is your role as a Scrum Master. Okay. Next is shielding the team. So I've seen one picture over here. Like she is the Scrum Master. She's shielding all the team. Okay. Scrum Master acts like a shield, protecting the team for external distractions and disturbances. So Scrum Master is a person who has to protect his or her team from external disturbances, distractions. What are those distractions? I have given one example, which is real life example, which is happening on day to day life in the project. Okay. So when stakeholder demands the last minute changes to the project, Scrum Master acts like a shield, buffering the team from constant interruption. So as a Scrum Master, you require to negotiate it with the stakeholders. Okay, you require to set manage the expectation at the time of sprint planning activity, and you require to negotiate with a stakeholder that we have planned these kind of work during the sprint planning, and why this change is coming at the last minute in the project. So we require to take that change in upcoming sprint because team is right now busy doing their own work, whatever planned in during the sprint planning. That is one way. Other way is you, if that task is really important for the stakeholder, then you can prioritize that task and deprioritize the task in the sprint. Okay, and add that in the sprint commitment properly. Okay. Just like that, you require to shield your team. Second, next thing is coaching and mentoring. Scrum Master guides the team, helping grow stronger in their skills and understanding of a Scrum just without any pointy ears. So, it's Scrum Master duty to guide the team, to give the knowledge about Scrum to the team, because Scrum team or team members does not know about what exactly the Scrum is, why we are using the Scrum. So you are the coach, you are the guide for your team. Okay. As an example, a new team member joins the Scrum team. They feel overwhelmed with agile practices. That means they don't know about agile practices properly. So Scrum Master takes a role of patient mentor, guiding a newcomer through Scrum principles, techniques, tools, just like a seasoned coach nurturing a young athlete to become a pro. Okay. So as a Scrum Master, you require to coach him or her about agile practices, principles, techniques, everything. Okay, and you are responsible Scrum Master to give him responsibility about the Scrum process. Okay, and how to work in the Scrum environment as well. So this is another responsibility of a Scrum Master. Next is fostering collaboration. So collaboration, communication, these are most important qualities Scrum Master must have to have. Okay, so like a chef blending flavors to create a delicious dish. So chef is creating delicious dish with using multiple flavors, multiple things, right? Just like that, Scrum Master encourages the collaboration among the team members, ensuring harmonious, productive working environment. You require to make sure that work environment is friendly, work environment is productive in nature. Okay, I would like to give you one example which is happening on day to day basis in Scrum environment. So, where the vision of a product owner and development team is quite conflicting. Okay, so Scrum Master required to act like a mediator, encouraging open dialogue and facilitating to compromise to find the solution that aligns with a product goal. So, what is your goal? If let's say there is conflict between product owner and the team members, okay, so what is your goal in that case? In that case, you require to act like a mediator. You require to schedule few calls between team and product owner, and you as a Scrum Master required to tell the development team diplomatically as well as the product owner diplomatically that our goal is to complete the project. Our goal is to stick with the product goal, and accordingly, you require to uh, act like a mediator in between both the teams and require to find the solution. So this is one kind of collaboration example. Okay. Also, if any issues are coming, if any impediments are coming, you require to collaborate with multiple teams. You require to schedule few calls with multiple teams and act accordingly. Okay, so this is another role and responsibility for the Scrum Master. I've told you that I will ask you one question about Scrum Master in between the video. So the question is, what are the values of Scrum? If you answer that correctly in the comment section, I would like to give away few cards for few gift cards as a gift. Okay. We'll move forward. Next is monitoring progress. So just like a detective, Scrum Master requires to track the team progress. Who are doing what? You require to know that as a Scrum Master. Okay. So you require to use few data, few metrics to track the progress of a team. As a Scrum Master, we are using some burn down charts or other metrics to track the team progress. We're using few tools like Jira, Rally, these tools and some reports to track the progress of the team. Okay, so it is Scrum Master duty to monitor the progress of a team, and team is working fine or not. If any impediments are there, issues are there, he or she has to resolve that issues. Okay. Next is continuous improvement. So Scrum Master leads the team in pursuit of continuous improvement. He has to inspire, he or she has to inspire the team to move faster and to deliver the project as fast as possible than the traditional project management practices, right? So you require to coach the team why Scrum is important, what exactly the Scrum is, what are the daily duties of a team member. Okay, so it your presence will have to improve or improve the process. Okay, of a Scrum. So what is this process improvement? So we are calculating the progress in the velocity term in the Scrum environment. So your target is to improve the velocity of a team. Okay, velocity is nothing but how team is delivering the uh, project tasks. Okay, that is a calculative measure. So okay, the example team has completed a sprint and during the retrospective they identify that daily stand-up tends to go off topic. So in retrospective call, team has come up with the example like it is going off topic. Daily stand-ups are going off topic. Scrum Master needs to suggest some methods uh, in that case. Okay, to keep a timer and standing in the circle, to keep meeting focused and time bound, demonstrating their commitments to continuous improvement and learning. Okay, so that is one of the example of continuous improvement. I would like to give you another example of process improvement or continuous improvement to improve the velocity. Let's say some automation technique you require to implement during your software changes, and that automation will really helpful to improve our velocity. So you require to do that automation. It will also improve your velocity. So that is a technical example I have given it to you. Okay. So these are few roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master. So hope you like this video about roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master. If you like this video or if you have any issues with the video, then just comment your views in the comment section. If you want more videos like that, you can just comment in the comment section like, Amit sir, I want this video or I want that video. I would provide that video for sure. Thanks for staying this video till end. If you want more interview questions for a Scrum Master, you can just comment your mail ID in the mailbox after subscribing the channel. Cheers.